Hey everyone, I hope you guys had a nice spring break. The purpose of this video is to explain to you guys your assignments for the week of April 13th through the 17th. So if you go to Schoology and scroll down to the bottom of the environmental science course page, click on Unit 8, Weathering and Erosion. All right, so that's this folder right here. You will see this picture, and that's how you'll know you're at Unit 8, Weathering and Erosion. So once you click on it, you'll see Module 1, Weathering. That was the module that we completed last week prior to going on spring break. The module that you'll be working on for this week is Module 2, Erosion. So if you click on the little triangle, and then you'll get the drop down of all the assignments. There are 6 assignments and 1 quiz for this week. My recommendation is that you complete assignments 1 through 5 by Tuesday at midnight, and that you complete assignment 6 and the module 2 quiz by Friday at midnight. All of these grades will go towards your 4th marking period grade. So just so you know, the first assignment, you do that directly in Schoology, and then assignment 2, you're going to go to Edpuzzle and use your Google account to log in, and you'll complete the Dust Bowl Intro Edpuzzle. And then assignment 3, more Dust Bowl Edpuzzle, you'll also go to Edpuzzle, log in using your Google sign in, and then watch the Edpuzzle and answer the questions. Assignment 4 is a Flipgrid assignment. So you had one of those 2 weeks ago, and what you'll do is you'll go to Flipgrid. You can download the app, or you can just go to the website and use your Chromebook for this. But go to Flipgrid or the Flipgrid app, and then what you'll do is you'll either use the link or you'll just use the Flipgrid code, and that will take you to the grid, and you will complete the assignment there. Make sure that you are logging in and selecting your actual class period. So 2nd period, you should be selecting this link here or this code. 5th period, you should be selecting this link here or this code. And 6th period, this link or entering this code. All right, so that is pretty much everything. I am finalizing grades. If you have any questions about grades, make sure you send me an email. If something's not entered, make sure to let me know. Double check all your grades because the marking period closes out this Friday. And that's it.